Yeah,
Yeah.
hello. How
How
are
are
you?
you?
Yeah, I'm
Uh,
fine.
Yay, I'm also good. Then, uh, what do we do, brother?
Yeah, I have completed my 10 plus. I have completed my 10 plus 2. Now I'm doing graduation.
Okay. Then you can discuss your friend, and after that we can talk. You can discuss. You can discuss your friend.
No, no, he leave it. Okay.
Then we can again start because we are not talking to any other. Okay.
Okay.
We I'm cutting some portion when we start, and after that we can start again.
Okay.
And then let's okay.
So
uh,
can I ask you a question?
yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Always welcome, brother.
Okay, okay. So for making good English speaker like you, what should I do? Because your English very.
No, no, not like that. You can feel me as a friend. I'm just still learning. I am, doing my 100% in English purpose, and that is my reason I am talking to you and anyone because I love speaking. I am making some video for memory purpose, and I'm storing that for YouTube also. And sometimes in old age time I observe myself, that time I talk to that friend. That is my happiness. That is why I'm doing this. And you are thinking maybe you are rounding your phone in this way. No, yes, this is correct. You can stand in this way.
Yeah.
This is correct. Okay, fine. So we can discuss about many things. Like we start. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, brother. What about you, brother?
Yeah, I'm also fine.
Okay, brother. Then tell me something about yourself that is helpful for me and my viewers who want to watch our video through this my channel.
Okay, I'm going to introduce myself. It's my pleasure to introduce myself.
Okay.
Myself is my name is Tanvir Ahmed Khalas. I'm from Kashmir,
Oh,
and
that's my pleasure.
yeah,
You are
and I
from
have
Kashmir.
I have completed my 10 plus 2. Now I'm doing graduation
Okay,
uh,
fine.
in Bachelor of Arts.
Oh, that's cool. No problem at all. I'm also doing my graduation, and I'm doing my graduation in Open University, not in regular. But I'm
Okay,
still learning because it's my aim. I want to talk all over the world, any country. It's my aim. I want to talk all over the world, at least one person, one country.
I
This is
think
my aim.
okay. According to me, I think you want to become a globe trotter. Do you know about globe trotter?
I
Globe
think I don't. Tutor,
one
tutor, tutor.
globe trotter, one who want to go in every world.
Okay, okay. But I'm not like I am creating my memory all over the world, people, at least like one person in our country. But it maybe it's possible or not, but I want to that types of creation. Then, brother, tell me something about Kashmir area. See, it is really beautiful and it's called as a heaven. And share me something.
Yeah, Kashmir is very beautiful. So I think in simple words, we can say Kashmir is Jannat. Kashmir
Yeah.
is a part of Jannat. Yeah, every
Hmm.
you can see, you can search on YouTube. You can see there the beauty of Kashmir, and you also come
Yes, yes,
in
yes.
Kashmir and you can see. So when do you
Yeah.
want?
It's, actually, it's my fortunate you told me. That's my pleasure. Maybe in future I haven't go or not, but I think it's possible because for you, because for another friend also there. Maybe it's possible in future. I don't know. And yes, it's true. Then, brother, we
I think according to me, when you're able to earn something, then you will come into Kashmir. Okay, I'm right.
absolutely, brother. because it is costable, because when you go that types of place, because it's really costable, and people also when people want to go some adventurous purpose, because they have enough money, they have full enjoyment, that time they will want to go that place, like heaven. You are from heaven area, and it's really beautiful. And I have another friend also, Kashmir. His name Lone Johur. Another one, Mubassar Sheikh. I talk with them, and I'm happy because they always share me something unique, something special about teachable, how to speak, how to get confidence. Because the reason of we are learner, we face difficulty. That's why we are try to speak more and more.
So have you completed your graduation?
Yes.
Have you completed your graduation?
No, brother, I am still doing my graduation in Open University because I left my studies 3 years, and after that I realized let's again try to readmission with Open University, and uh, I'm doing this, and I'm still learning because it is also good platform, and it is increase your point. It is changing lots of people's mindset.
Okay. So in future, what do you want to become?
uh, it's really a critical question for me. Actually, I want to be a good talker in English, and I want to show my appearance all over India and all over the world, that everyone can speak English. It is my motive. I am sharing everyone that anyone can speak and anyone can capable in English language. This is also my motive. But want to as a teacher, good teacher in English. This is my motive. But it is possible or not, I am still working on it, and I'm trying to speak more and more friends and all over the world, like you. And you are from India. I'm from India, but I talk all over the world also. So you were in at your show.
So I think your aim is like my aim.
Okay, fine. Thank you,
I think
thank you.
in my future, I want to become like you.
Oh, that's good. Then maybe you were also, that's why you were practicing more and more in
Yeah, yeah.
English. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Then I'm happy. I'm happy again. Happy that you are also same uh, thought in your mind and you are still learning. That's good.
Yeah, yeah.
So, brother, what your opinion about spoken English purpose?
Spoken English. First of all, you should go any coaching center. I think
Okay.
according to after
Mm-hmm.
that, should hard work. You
Mm-hmm.
should concentrate that who teaches that coaching center. You should just concentrate there what he learned.
Okay. Okay.
And
That's cool.
after leaving the coaching center, first of all you should when you will enter your home. First of all, if you didn't conversate any person, so you can go from a mirror. You can
Mm-hmm.
make conversation. So it is
Okay.
easy.
Okay. Okay. Yes, absolutely correct. But
But in,
sometimes it. Mm-hmm.
okay, but in my area, when I talk in English, people understand me that his ego. His
Yes.
ego.
Yes.
So
Everywhere is same situation.
so after that, what I do, I do that. I go in a mirror, and after that, I make my conversation.
Okay. Fine. That's also good. And yes, I we have a mobile. We can make a video with alone. That is also good platform to making such types of video, and we observe ourselves that we are talking to properly or not. Yeah.
Okay.
And like, what is the best method according to you? How to learn? Best method. Like you were talking about coaching center. But suppose you observe that some student, some like anyone has not capability to go any coaching center, and then how he will do.
uh, I think we should make conversation without any fear.
Yes, that is my point also. Yes, we can make each other understand and we can talk to each other. That is the biggest way of learning. It's my point of view, and we can make difference definitely.
A phrase in Urdu that okay, I'm going to tell you in Urdu. Sir, जो मरा वो डरा, जो डरा वो
Yes,
मरा, जो डरा वो मरा.
okay. This is a shairi.
So you shouldn't fear any when you start your conversation. You should
Yeah. Yes, absolutely. But lots of people are trying to speak more, but while they are speaking, they feel uncomfortable. Like we are talking to each other, we are not feeling uncomfortable because we know, and because some people also try to speak, but they feel uncomfortable because they have lack of confidence and lack of vocabulary also. But we remove all the hesitation of speaking purpose, and we can get 100% result in future.
inshallah.
Inshallah. Yes, inshallah. And brother, what is the importance of mobile phone? If you share something.
Yeah, okay. Yes. This is very good question for me. When I use
Yeah.
my mobile, I think I have trained a lot of English. When I use this app, when I use that app, which we can start, and in this app we
But-
can.
mm,
Your app is already you have downloaded Buddy Talk.
yeah.
When we first of all we meet
Yes.
that.
Yes. 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 First of all, we meet on Buddy Talk application. That is really helpful for lots of people.
Yes.
Yeah. So tell me your opinion about mobile phone.
A mobile phone is very better for us.
Mm,
I think according to mobile phone, we can learn a lot of
mm.
like
That is also
English
true. Mm-hmm.
and do our work from mobile phone.
Mm, mm.
We can earn money from mobile phone.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Mobile phone has lots of advantages. We are
Oh,
observing nowadays in
and
new generation also. Mm.
IPL is coming, and we can download Dream 11 app, and we can that in that app we can earn money.
Yeah, but it is uh, not for everyone good because when you uh, purchase some matches, then it is helpful for lots of people. Maybe it's not helpful for everyone. I think because you are making such types of play that is not good for everyone because everyone don't know what is the team is win this match or that match. But yes, mobile phone has lots of capability. We can earn, we can travel, we can learn lots of things, and that knowledge we can produce our capability. That is also true. Like we talk to each other. This is helpful for. This is the benefit of mobile.
Yeah, yeah. I
Yeah.
think it's enough. I think we can say because I have a lot of work.
Okay. Okay.
Uh,
And
we should conclude our topic.
hmm, okay. Okay. Fine. And next we will try for another conversation that is
Uh,
helpful for lots of my viewers. Lots
you
of
will you will keep my video in WhatsApp status.
okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Okay. Bye.